So how can you make money online without getting traffic? I mean, how can you make any sales online where if no one ever sees it? That's what traffic is. Traffic simply means and refers to the people who come to your site, whether they put in your site's address in their web browser bar, or whether they click to your site from a recommendation from a friend, or maybe you saw it in a social media post or some ad while you were visiting some other site. Regardless of how people get to your site, that is called traffic. And of course, you want as much of it as you can get, but you want specifically the type of traffic that your website is about. You get that? You don't want to just drive people to your website who probably aren't going to even be interested anyway. So you need a way or a service that's going to cater to the type of traffic you need. And so what you see on the screen here is an advanced internet marketing traffic training page that I have set up. As you know, I'm William Caleb, a curator of digital marketing products and training. I just put together the best of the best trainings and products that I come across, and I deliver it to you in a way that's easily digestible, where you can connect the dots instead of needing some type of PhD or some type of tech degree from MIT just to figure this stuff out, right? Because sometimes it can feel overwhelming. Now, you access this page, by the way, at easymoneyschool.com/advanced training. Now, you see on this page there's a menu, and I'm mainly dealing with traffic training, how to get more website traffic to your site, how to get more people to your website links, whatever you got going online, you're going to need people to go to it, and this page can help you. You'll see the handy menu here. We have 9 traffic lessons, traffic you can order now, 18 different traffic sources. We got a Facebook ads mastery link, digital products creation training, because that adds to traffic. It can get you more paid traffic that way, as well as additional sales. There's social media influencer traffic, email marketing training. Of course, that's great right there. I mean, and you can see it on and on, plus a few extra things here. You can use this menu, by the way, to just jump to the various sections, because this can be kind of a long page, as you're going to see. If I click on any one of these links here, it'll just jump to that section of the page. But let's go slowly and just check out the whole page here. So starting off first with the 18 traffic resources. See, if you click on any of these images here, then the video is going to pop out, and then you press play. You click the image and then press play. Clicking the image by itself isn't just going to automatically play the video. There's a security protocol set in there because of some things that were going on that I had to put a stop to. We want to protect the video here, and so that's how it has to be done on this particular page. You click on the particular image and then you press play, and it'll just give you a brief tutorial on exactly how to use each of these traffic sources. Okay, each of these traffic sources, and they're just specific places where you can go and buy advertising at. Let's just take Green Point's ad, which is a very popular place where you can just buy ads at. I mean, you don't have to go through any drama or anything. You just come here and
Greenpoint Ads is a great traffic source. They have access to over 50 million daily visitors, and they sell a number of different kinds of traffic. They do pop unders, layer ads, mobile traffic, and dating traffic. You can check out their site for more information on that.
So you can start getting traffic, and you'll see most of these traffic sources, they will have categories, and you just find the category or use the particular targeting options that they have that cater to your type of audience, to your type of demographics for the website or link or the offer you have. I have self-serve traffic. What this means is you just click on this link and you can just order traffic. You can order so many clicks. And again, they have different categories that you can choose from. You can see the option on the right side there says SMS traffic services, and that's specifically traffic networks that cater to mobile traffic. You know, your smartphone. This is going to cater to smartphone users, cell phone users. You know, that's the only people that are going to see your links and websites when you use that service, which, of course, who doesn't have a cell phone on your pocket? So you might want to try them out. They have different categories and different options for you to target so that you can get the specific traffic right for your website, for your link. And I say the word link for those who don't know why I use that word, because there are some of us who are involved in affiliate marketing where a company that's already proven will just give you a link to promote their products, and if you make any sales through that special unique link that they give you, then they will pay you a set commission fee for bringing in that sale. You know, companies like Walmart, Target, Amazon, there's so many affiliate programs that are out there. There's thousands and thousands and thousands, and most of them are free to sign up for. That's a part of a lot of the things that I show and produce and publish here on the Easy Money School site. That's a big reason for the existence of this site, is to share this information that I come across, and hopefully that you'll use it and you'll see some benefits and results. Hey, everybody's not alike. We're all at different skill levels, but just get in where you fit in. I just find the information and I just publish it out in a way, in an easy to digest way, hopefully an easily to digest way for all of us to better understand and utilize. We're all on this journey together, folks. We're all on this journey together. Okay? And so if we keep scrolling here down, you'll see there's 64 more paid traffic resources, 60 more places where you can just go and buy website traffic from. That's the thing that a lot of people maybe, might get, I don't know, a little frustrated by, or might feel that that's a little off-putting, because you could set up an offer online, or you could get one of these business opportunities, or, you could, get into affiliate marketing and start driving traffic to those links and traffic to your websites, but then you realize you're going to have to pay for this. Like I said, you can go and purchase traffic directly from any of these places right here, but you got to pay for it. It costs money. But what business don't you know that doesn't spend money to advertise? I use the example a lot. Even Coca-Cola still spends money on advertising. Even McDonald's, as big as McDonald's is, come on now, do they really need to advertise? Well, yeah, they do. They still need to advertise. And so you think you coming into this, any type of business structure, with the solution to people's problems or solution to other businesses' problems, you got the best offer, but you don't think you don't need to advertise? And I'm talking about advertising consistently, not just 1 or 2 weeks out of the year. So that means you got to have a budget for that, right? And some of us who come into that, we realize we do need a budget for that, and it frustrates some of us because we didn't know that ahead of time. But more knowledge and more information only means you just step it up more, right? Okay, now you know you need a marketing budget. You actually need a spending budget for advertising specifically. So what do? Well, hey, if you got to go back to the grind and start selling T-shirts or something on eBay, hey, do it. If you got to go get a job here driving and making deliveries up and down the highway, well, hey, go do it. If you got to if you got to work at a department store right quick or something, go help and stock the shelves or go help and unload the trucks. Well, hey, you got to do it and start saving up so you can have an advertising budget. I just want to throw that out there because this resource won't really do you any good if you're not willing to pay. And we're not talking about something that's going to break the bank. Go on over to easymoneyschool.com/advanced training. Just take a look at some of this stuff. Go and buy you some traffic. You'll see the pricing. Now, when you get to these 9 lessons, this is the 9 lesson area here. Lesson 1, this is just training. Now, this will teach you how to get some free traffic, but you don't want to rely on free traffic, because sometimes they can be hit and miss. It can just be hit and miss. You might get some traffic here, but it'll be only a few trippers. You might get 100 clicks here, 200 clicks there, visitors. But you're going to be needing the consistency of thousands and thousands, I'm telling you. So once again, paid traffic. Got a link there to the Facebook ads, paid advertising there, how you can use Facebook advertising. And that's not all that's there once you click on that link. But that's the biggest thing on there. That's Facebook paid advertising and a good branding training there too. What you're going to need, some more training. This is just free training, how to promote different things via video marketing. This is a free training on how to use native advertising, how to write articles and how to submit them, and how that can get you traffic. This is ways that you can use to get free traffic. Get your foot in the door. Maybe start building up building up a budget that you can use for paid advertising. See what I'm saying? We can all use this to our advantage. Even how to use classified ads. And then I got using solo ads, a special strategy where you're actually buying traffic from email subscription owners. And what I mean is, there are a lot of entrepreneurs out here who have these things called online newsletters, where people sign up just to get a weekly digest of something that they feel passionate about, something that they're really interested in. And these particular newsletter owners have subscribers in the hundreds of thousands and millions. So just think, if you were to pay them a preset amount to send out your own email message to their list of subscribers. And again, they got like hundreds of thousands and millions of subscribers. And what if you don't think something's going to happen? You don't think a portion of those people are going to click on that link? This is their list. They've already built up the list. So the subscribers they have, trust that newsletter. So if you have an email message in that newsletter, guess what? Is it starting to click now? That's what a solo ad is. And I got many different providers in that. Doing media buys, which is basically buying traffic from other websites that are already in your niche. You got an offer that sells golfing equipment. You say, even if you're an affiliate and you get in a commission on a golfing, or on how many golf sets that you sell. Well, wouldn't it be wise and smart to have your ad on a site that's catered to golf enthusiasts? That's what media buying has to do with. Okay, all these lessons is here, even in bonus lesson. This is an awesome one. How to get traffic from Google News. This is just, and it's right there. You just click play. There's nothing to buy here with these free training lessons. Unless you want something that'll make the thing go faster, or something that'll do the service for you, so you don't actually have to do it. That's the only thing that'll be paid service. And again, you see I'm repeating the self-serve traffic. Those options I showed you a little earlier in this video. It's all about getting traffic. All about getting traffic. Got resources for those who are in the make money online niche specifically, because that's kind of one of the ways that I got into first. And there's specific traffic resources just for that industry that's here that you'll find, and you're going to want to check that out. This is it. We even got list building campaigns. Remember I was telling you about newsletter owners who have hundreds of thousands of subscribers? Well, what if you were one of those guys? Huh? What if you had a list of thousands of people, or yourself? What if you were the list builder owner? That's what these things do. This thing is going to help you build an affiliate sales funnel. Build up you a list of subscribers in specific niches, and you can run affiliate offers to them along with value emails, of course, too, where you're entertaining, you're providing value, and you're doing promos and are woven in. This is all internet marketing, folks. All internet marketing. We have all of that for you here on this page right here. And, it's over at the Easy Money School. That's at easymoneyschool.com/advanced training. I just wanted to take this time to show you this. And I hope you come along and use this incredible resource that I set up. Now, some of you may have seen my videos, especially previous to this, where I'm promoting the Evergreen Profits course Reloaded, and I do have traffic training in there. And, but this is just a part of what you might could find in there. This page here is just some additional help for you that a lot of people just don't even know exists. It's a page I got on the Easy Money School, which is a site, again, where I curate all the greatest digital marketing trainings and products to put it to you and deliver it to you in a way that's easily digestible so we can all take hold of this and make it happen, Captain. All right, once again, that website is easymoneyschool.com/advanced training. This is William Caleb saying, peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. All right.